This 2017 Keystone Cougar 330RBK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, microwave, smoke detector, DVD player, awning, skylight, spare tire kit, water heater, LP detector. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.